Hi, in today's class we are going to see first basic Selenium Python program. So in this program, first I am importing Selenium WebDriver class. Okay, from Selenium import WebDriver we have to write, and for this WebDriver class I'm going to create an object. Driver is equal to WebDriver.chrome of and ChromeDriver.exe path I am giving. So in my system, ChromeDriver.exe is located under this path. Let me show you. So I'm navigating to C drive. Under C drive, Python Chrome driver Win32. So this is the ChromeDriver.exe path I have mentioned. So when this line number 3 will execute, Chrome browser window will be launched automatically. After that, driver.get application URL I have given within the double quotes. Okay, so whichever application URL that you have given, it will be launched automatically by driver. And driver.maximize window, Chrome browser window will be maximized. After that, driver will find the element by ID as txt username and enters the value as admin. And after that, driver finds the element by ID as txt password and enters the value as admin123, and driver finds the element by ID as button login, and it will click on the login button and it will be navigated to home page. So how to inspect the username, password and button login I will show you. So go to the application and right click and inspect the web elements here. Okay, just I'm right clicking and I'm clicking and inspect. So see here, ID is equal to txt username. This is the one I have to copy and paste it here. And for password, for password, what is the ID has been given? Let's see. ID is equal to txt password. Control C and Control V. And similarly for button login. So login button developer has given name as button login. ID is equal to button login. So this is the one. Control C and give it to button login. Similarly, I have written, so like that I have inspected each and every web element ID and I have written set of driver instructions. So after that, once it is navigating to home page, I'm inspecting admin button, I'm inspecting nationality button, and I'm inspect I'm inspecting add button and I'm entering nationality name. And after that I'm clicking on button save. Okay, so that nationality record will be created in system. So driver is finding elements by ideas, txt username, password, login button. So whatever, so for every web element, developer will give some id and name. Okay, so if you are writing set of driver instructions by id, then you have to write driver dot find element by id. So if you are performing click operation on the web element, just you have to write dot click. And or if you want to type some value on the text fields, then you have to write send keys. So click and send keys are the operations on the web element. So after writing dot, just you need to write either dot click or dot send keys you have to write. So let me run this program and we will see the output. Chrome browser window is launched. It's maximized. Username and password and login button click. Just clicking on admin, nationalities, and nationality name entered, add button, save button click. So nationality record has been created. Let me check what is the nationality. So Mexican 125. Control F, Mexican 125. So this is the nationality record has been created successfully. Okay, that's it guys on the basic program.